Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ngayon po, teachers, nabibigyan ko lang po kayo ng quick update about po sa performance-based bonus 2023. So meron pong dalawang state universities na nagkaroon po ng SARO for their performance-based bonus. So check po natin itong dalawang school sa ating list. So first po, nung March 5, ay lumabas po yung SARO ng isa pong state colleges. So ito po yung Occidental Mindoro State Colleges. So ito po yung lumabas po na SARO nung March. Po yung lumabas na PBB SARO ng Occidental Mindoro State College noong March 5, 2025. So mapapansin po natin, nakalagay po rito, to cover the grant of Fiscal Year 2023 Performance-Based Bonus to Qualified Officials and Employees. So, congratulations po sa Occidental Mindoro State College dahil meron na po tayong PBB SARO, which means na pwede na po lagyan ng funds at para po mabilis yung proseso po ng ating pag-release ng ating performance-based bonus. So, as ay March 5 din po na 2025, Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges. So, from Region 5, ayan na po na release of allotment to cover the funding requirements for the grant of Fiscal Year 2023 Performance-Based Bonus of 309 eligible employees. So, congratulations po sa Camarines Sur Polytechnic College at Occidental Mindoro State College dahil meron na po tayong PBB SARO, which means na magkakaroon na po ng funds yung ating PBB. So, congratulations po at kung gusto nyo po makareceive ng mga updates regarding po sa ating PBB 2023, don't forget po to subscribe. Baka pumalay natin ay lumabas na rin po sa ang ating PBB sa DepEd. Yun lang po at maraming salamat!